Are you looking for ways to ease pain without popping pills? When pain hits, whether it's a toothache, back pain, or a headache, many people instinctively reach for over-the-counter pain relievers. But did you know there are natural alternatives that could help relieve discomfort without the risks that sometimes come with medication? Natural pain relievers have been used for centuries. Herbs like turmeric, Boswellia, and cloves have shown promise in reducing pain and inflammation. Practices such as acupuncture and simple methods like applying heat or ice can also offer relief. Here's a breakdown of some of the most effective natural options. 1. Boswellia. Boswellia, also known as frankincense, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat pain. Studies show that it can reduce pain and stiffness in conditions like osteoarthritis, making it a safe and effective choice for many. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's particularly useful for easing pain related to arthritis. Though often used in cooking, turmeric can also be taken as a supplement, usually paired with black pepper to improve absorption. 3. Cloves. Cloves aren't just for spicing up your meals. They contain eugenol, a natural compound that helps relieve pain. Clove oil, in particular, is popular for easing toothache and can be applied directly to the sore area. Several other herbs, such as lavender, rosemary, and peppermint, are known for their pain-relieving qualities. Many of these herbs can be used as essential oils, applied topically to help reduce discomfort. 4. Acupuncture. This ancient Chinese practice involves inserting tiny needles into the skin to restore the body's energy balance. Acupuncture is thought to trigger the release of serotonin, a brain chemical that helps relieve pain and promotes healing. 5. Heat and ice. One of the simplest home remedies for pain is applying heat or ice. Ice is best for reducing swelling after an injury, while heat works well to ease stiffness in muscles and joints. While natural remedies can be effective, they may not work for everyone or every type of pain. Always talk to your doctor before trying any new treatment, especially if you're pregnant, have underlying health issues, or are taking medication. Some natural remedies are not well studied, and supplements are not as strictly regulated as prescription drugs. For safe and effective use, it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider. Natural pain relievers can be a great alternative to medication, but they should be used carefully. Always consider professional advice to ensure these remedies are right for your situation. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos like this.